What's happening, YouTube? I just want to preface this video by saying, of course you can find camp. But I was trying to find camp closer into town after having some dinner at a local restaurant. I could have drove a lot further into the forest and found a spot to camp, but I didn't want to start looking for camp early this night. So this whole just finding stuff close in is it's pretty difficult to do. Well, we came to the end of this road and turned around, and oh, parking brakes on. And this is why I'm kind of just done with this all. The internet's done fucked everything up. It really has. All right, we're gonna cruise up here and find some camp. Had a little hangout over at Park Plaza where I bought my camp beers. That was cool. Met a school teacher that does tattooing on the side. Well, we came to the end of this road and turned around, and oh, parking brakes on. And this is why I'm kind of just done with this all. The internet's done fucked everything up. It really has. Like, now this area here used to be a wonderful place to disperse camp. Problem is, it's a weekday. It's a weekday right now, and there is not one spot to camp. Nothing. There's nothing. And it's almost dark now, right? So I've been driving around looking for a camp spot, and there is nothing. I think I saw one at the very beginning of this road, but I mean, you know, you're one of the first ones. It's not a great spot to camp. Then they go ahead and run a blade down the road because, like, let's invite people to come down the road. There's fucking minivans. It's fucked. I mean, I'm driving a minivan, right? What is this road? What's that sign say? So this looks like a four-wheel drive trail, though. I didn't see this at first. Yeah. You know what? There probably ain't a lot of people taking their shit boxes down the minivan road here, so we'll pop our head in here a little bit. This has a forest road sign. So let's take a gamble on the 2-tracker. I didn't see this when I was going the other direction. It's a bitch to find any place to camp nowadays. It's really become a problem. These are the kind of roads you're looking for when you're trying to find a camp spot anymore, because I guess the only bad thing about this road is I don't see any turnoffs. We're getting up here quite flatten out. I don't want to drive too damn far in the dark. Weird. Weird times we live in. There's no new vehicles. Everybody's camping everywhere now, everybody's got some kind of new 4x4 overland. Wait a minute. Did you see what I saw? You didn't? Alright. This looks decent. Hey. This should be a dead end. It is. I don't see anything. Yeah. What a disappointment. You know, this. You used to be able to just, in 5 minutes, find a place to camp. And now it's become so difficult to find a decent place to camp. It's almost impossible. Well, shit. Guys, this isn't exactly ideal at all. Not at all. You really just have to plan everything out anymore. And just the thing that sucks is staying in a different place every night just almost isn't a good idea these days. Like, you almost have to go to a spot and just hang out and camp. There's so many people. A lot of people are just living out here in the forest, which is fine, but it makes it really hard to have a good time camping. Trying to poke our way. It sucks now that it's getting dark. I was hoping that we wouldn't get to this point. Here we are, ready to set camp up in the dark, if we can even find a spot to camp. The main road again. Maybe we can find something. Down here somewhere. And what sucks is, you know, I don't have light bars or any of that horseshit. We got stock Toyota lights. I saw one potential spot and it was close to somebody, but I don't know if they're cool with it. I'm cool with it, I guess, at this point. But it was only one, and there's probably about 30 spots on this road to camp, and they're all taken in the middle of the week. Man, there's people camped everywhere here, though. It's a bummer. somebody camped. Campfire going. They've got their camp trailers. Everybody's got a camper and crazy. This is insane. I mean, I kind of get it on a Saturday night or a Friday night or whatever, but this is the weekday. This is a damn weekday. Man, the simplest thing. Like, this used to be very simple. I want to camp, I drive out into the forest, I camp. Not anymore. Not anymore. It's kind of a spot right here, maybe. Let's see here. No camping. Let's see, I think I saw a spot up here, maybe, I don't know. Set up camp right fucking here. Well, I ended up camping at the very first spot that was available in the beginning. This is the one I drove by and kind of started this whole shenanigans. I didn't want to camp here. It wasn't the greatest spot, but it worked. And as always, the Big Agnes is a fantastic little tent and quite easy to set up in the dark. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time.